This is Charles with Aerial Skycam. I'm with you here at Lowe's in Baton Rouge. And we can see here a lot of people staging for storm prep. So we've got Belfour Property Restoration National Disaster Team. Semi-trailer after semi-trailer of trucks here preparing to do some storm restoration from Hurricane Ida. Who'd have thought, on the 60th anniversary of Hurricane Katrina, that Hurricane Ida would hit and do so much damage that in the parking lot of a Lowe's, you have over 20 tractor trailers waiting just to do storm damage restoration. And the other story is the food trucks over here. So right over here, we have lots of food trucks preparing to come out and support the workers that are going to be working on restoration. Because again, the power's down, the restaurants are down, so of course you'd have to bring in food trucks. And so we got a lot of food trucks staging right here. People all the way from Tennessee. That particular trailer's got a license plate from Pennsylvania. We got a food truck right here, barbecue food truck from Tennessee. It's just a lot of mobilization for this operation. And that's just at Lowe's. There's other places with parking areas that also have dozens of trailers stacking up and getting ready for storm response. So this is the Belfour Property Restoration National Disaster Team, and I'm Charles with Aerial Skycam. Be sure and like and subscribe if you like this kind of footage, this kind of coverage of a storm response and the engineering and the response behind it. You can see that big propane tank right there, a lot of canned goods, all the materials that you need to basically support disaster response for a storm like Hurricane Ida. This is Charles with Aerial Skycam. Like and subscribe, smash that like button, and we'll see you soon. We're out here at the Lowe's in Baton Rouge, Louisiana, checking out the preparation for restoration for Hurricane Ida with the Belfour Property Restoration National Disaster Team.